How to date without spending money. 10 apps you'll love in 2025. Finding love shouldn't break the bank, but expensive memberships and constant ads can make dating apps feel more frustrating than fun. If you're tired of paying for every swipe and match, this video is for you. Be sure to watch the whole video because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. Plenty of Fish offers a solid free version with features like unlimited messaging and detailed profiles. It's perfect for building connections without spending a dime. Number 9. Facebook Dating is entirely free and connects you with people based on your interests and groups. You can even share your dating profile with friends for a little matchmaking help. Hinge's tagline, "Designed to be deleted," reflects its focus on meaningful relationships. Its free version provides excellent features including prompts that help spark authentic conversations. Bumble. Women make the first move, which can lead to safer and more respectful connections. The app's free version includes profile swipes and messaging once you match. Number 6. OkCupid's free version gives you access to unique personality quizzes that match you with like-minded individuals. You can chat and connect with potential partners without spending a cent. Number 5. Tinder is famous for its swipe right system and offers free matching and messaging features. It's ideal for meeting people locally without worrying about hidden costs. Number 4. Although not a dating app, Meetup connects people through shared activities and events. Join local groups to make meaningful connections with potential romantic interests. Number 3. This app gives you daily bagels, curated matches. To keep dating less overwhelming, its free features focus on quality over quantity, making it great for intentional daters. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now let's continue. Number 2. Her is a free app tailored for LGBTQ+ women, offering a safe and inclusive space to meet people. You can join community events or swipe through profiles to find your match. Number 1. Badoo's free features let you see who likes you and message matches without paying. It's one of the most popular global dating apps for finding love or friendship. 1. Scout connects you with new people near and far, making it easy to chat and build relationships for free. 2. Woo focuses on meaningful matches with its simple, user-friendly platform. Its free version includes unlimited swipes and messaging options. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.